everyone. Communication is something we use every single day, yet many people underestimate how powerful it truly is. Whether we are speaking with our family, friends, classmates, or our teachers, the way we communicate can build understanding or create misunderstanding. Good communication is not only about speaking clearly, but also about expressing our ideas respectfully and listening to others with an open mind. When communication is effective, it helps people connect, solve problems, and work together better. One important part of communication is tone. Sometimes the words we say may be correct, but the way we say them can completely change their meaning. A kind and calm tone can make others feel respected and valued, while a harsh or careless tone can hurt feelings or cause conflict. But this reminds me to always be mindful of how I speak to others. Personally, my communication style is to be clear, respectful, and truthful. I try to listen first before responding, and I aim to express my ideas in a way that others can understand. Good communication for me is not about speaking the most, but about making sure that what I say helps create understanding and positivity. In conclusion, communication is a powerful tool that can influence relationships and everyday interactions. By practicing good communication, using the right tone, and understanding our own communication style, we can build stronger connections with the people around us. If we choose our words wisely and speak with respect, we can turn simple conversation into opportunities to inspire, encourage, and bring people closer together.